My name is Mayuri Kulkarni and I'm studying in grade 8 standard. Today I'm explaining a topic called force. Firstly, what do you mean by force? Force is a push or pull acting on an object. It is denoted by letter F. It is measured in newtons. N, which is named after Sir Isaac Newton. Now, effects of force. Effects of force are it can make an object move, stop, change its shape and etc. Change the size of an object, change the direction of a motion. Now, types of forces. There are two types of forces: contact force and non-contact force. Firstly, contact force. It is a type of force where two objects are in physically contact with each other. Example: muscular force and frictional force. Now, muscular force. It is the force exerted by the muscles of our body and used for lifting, kicking, pulling, pushing, etc. Now, frictional force. It is a force which opposes the motion. Example: riding a bicycle where tire and a road are in friction. It is a type of contact force. Next topic, non-contact force. It is a type of force where two objects are not in physically contact with each other. There are three types of in it: magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Magnetic force. It is a type of force where magnets attract a special kind of metals. Example: magnet attracting metal clips. Next, gravitational force. It is a type of force where objects are pulled towards the center of the earth due to its gravity force. Example: a ball thrown towards air and come back to the earth due to gravitational force. Electrostatic force. It is a force exerted by a charged body on another. Example: a small piece of paper attracting to comb when it's rubbed on your head. And last topic of our class, everyday uses of force. We use forces everywhere in our everyday day-to-day life. Lifting, pushing, kneading, eating, writing, etc. So that is all for the day. Thank you.